Hi everybody, welcome to Mike's Garage. I have a car out in the driveway that won't start. I'm going to show you the old school way you're figuring out what's going on. You turn the key and nothing happens. We've all seen that. I just want to show you how to prove what's wrong the old school way. No tools, no meters. Here we go. Let's go out in the driveway. All right, we're out here in the driveway. I got a Hyundai that won't start. You turn the key and nothing happens. First thing we're going to do is see if it's the battery or the starter motor. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to turn on the headlights, and my friend in the car is going to hit the key. When he hits the key, if it's the battery that's bad, the headlights should go out. If it's the starter motor, the headlights will stay on. So let's go ahead and try that. Are you ready in there?
Yeah.
Turn on the headlights. Okay, hit the starter. Alright, spoiled the whole thing. Yeah, it started.
Wait, you didn't give me any direction. You said already.
Okay, you can see that the car started, okay? We had a problem where you turned the key and nothing happened, and we thought it was either the battery or the starter motor. We did check that the starter motor does work because it actually started. Now, if you turn the key and the headlights went out, the next thing you do is you remove the caps from the battery. These caps here. Now, there's acid in there, so you have to be careful. And then when they try and start the car, you hold the key on like you're trying to crank it. The bad cell, you can see in here, will bubble. And you'll be able to see it bubbling. And that means you have a bad cell in the battery. Now, we don't have that. It was just that it was so cold that the battery wouldn't turn the car over. So we're good. We don't need to get a new battery. Everything checked out okay this time. So if you have a dead battery, you can do that. Turn on the headlights, hit the key. If the headlights go out and the car doesn't start, it's the battery. Take off the caps, be careful of battery acid, and you can try cranking it again. And if one of the cells starts to bubble, that's the cell that's bad. You really can't fix that. You have to replace the whole battery. Hope that's a helpful tip. Thanks for watching Mike's Garage. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. I need more subscribers. I'm almost at 1,000. Thanks everybody. See you now.